Hi, I'm Tommy. Today I'm gonna show you how I do technical analysis. I will use HODL SR and I will also use HODL Stick, which is the indicator I also made and is available in public library and TradingView, and it's free, so just grab it and enjoy it. I developed different technique for analyzing charts using those two tools. I already hinted some of techniques in advanced techniques video, but today you will see the complete procedure. But first, I would like to thank to all the subscribers to HODL SR indicator. You really make further development possible, and I feel bound to share these little secrets with you and show you that you have some really powerful tools in your hands. Thank you again. And today is not about what kind of action one should take, but rather how to analyze the price action. So let's start. I will show you analysis of Euro, US dollar. I don't trade Forex, so let's see what can I come up with. First, add the indicators to your chart, and then switch to high time frame monthly. Let's see if you have HODL SR configured correctly. First, we must look for highest high, which is present right here, and we are in downtrend. So let's open the properties. We are currently on HODL level 3. Let's switch this to level 1, and uptrend is not ticked, which is okay, and highest high is not defined because it's present in data, so everything is okay. We can start. First, let's zoom in. We're interested in price after the highest high, and we made a 2 level move down, 1.5 up, 1.5 down, 1.5 up, 1.5 down, 1 level up, and now 1.5 down, and a little bit more. This is important because bears couldn't reach the lower support level, and this is kind of bullish signal. So whenever the moves are not complete, so one move, 1.5, 2 level move, or maybe 2.5 or 3 level move, but they must complete. If they are not, that means that the other side is getting stronger and stronger, and the price will reverse. So if we take a look on a monthly time frame, what is going on? So we did a 1.5 and a little bit more move down. We stopped here, and our next targets would be half move up and the full move up. So the full move up is 2 micro levels above the main support level. So those are 2 targets we could expect. But as we can see, we only completed a half move, and now price kind of reversed. We have long wicks on top, and currently we are resting on 50% level. So what does that mean? We will see. Let's take a look at HODL Stick. It's pointing down. We had 2 channels. So one is from here, then we broke up a little bit. So this is the price action here, and now we have another down channel. So the stick is pulling down, which is bearish, and will be even more bearish if we break this channel. We are trying to do so. So the signal of stick is bearish. We completed a half move up and kind of going down right now. We still don't know yet what will happen, but it looks like we can go lower. So if we completed this half move up, we can expect another move to the downside. So half move down or even full move down. So this is going somewhere here. So those are the moves we can expect on monthly time frame. But let's take a look at stick again. I'll remove these trend lines. The stick is creating a bullish divergence. So we have higher low and lower low on stick, and we have lower low and higher low on price. But we must wait until this candle closes, which will be in another few days. And if this proves to be a bullish divergence, well, we can expect the price to go down. We don't know how low the price will go because of stick or whatever, but from here we can expect at least half move down. And then we'll also make a double top here, which is also a bullish sign. So if you ask me, I'm bearish on monthly time frame, but I will definitely take a look at this 50% support level. What will happen here? Will it prove a support? Then we might go up and create at least half move up to the main resistance level. So this is monthly time frame. So let's move to weekly time frame. The weekly time frame also show us we completed a half move up and we're trying to go lower now. But on weekly we can see that this 50% is getting stronger and stronger. We tried once, but we couldn't go through, and we're trying now the second time. So this is something to be really careful. And we can also already define the targets to the upward. So let's just create a half move up, which is up to the main level, and full move up, which is going up to here. So if this 50% level proves a strong support, we might go up, but otherwise we are still bearish, we are still in a down move. So we must complete and come to this level. Let's take a look at stick. Stick is also pointing down. Let's draw a channel. It's going something like this. We must still wait for another bottom of the stick. So we can draw a proper channel. Or can we should use this. This is a better one. This is a better one, and we can see that stick is trying to fall out, and which is of course bearish. So on weekly time frame, I'm bearish, and I expect at least move to this level. There is no divergence here, but we'll see what will happen in next week. So let's move on. This is a bearish time frame. So let's move to daily. On a daily time frame, we're still on HODL level 1, so we will switch this because it's not appropriate. Let's switch to level 2, so we will have cleaner view of what is really happening here. So as we can see, let's start from this peak. We made 1.5 move down, half move up, 1 move down, 1 move up, half move down, almost 1 full, more than half up, and less than 1 full move. So this is a bearish sign. As I said, on a monthly time frame, this is also a bearish sign. We couldn't complete a full move, but we did just a little bit more than a half move. And then we retraced and made a little bit more than 1 move, and we were stopped at main support level. We created half move up, and we're kinda in a down motion right now. We also made a half move down with this wick, but as we can see, we have a bearish candle here, and we are under 50%. So we will see what will happen, and let's analyze the stick. The stick shows us a little bearish, a little bearish divergence. This kinda, the price is the same level M, and on price we made a higher high. So this is a bearish, and probably this is the reaction from this bearish divergence. So what to expect if we look at this time frame? We can see that we reached the bottom level, and we completed a half move up. We couldn't reach the full move up, which is up to here. So we are in this motion now, half down or full down, or full move down, and stick is pointing down. It's still not closed, but if we draw another trend line here, we will see that actually the stick is right on support right now. So we can bounce up, but until then I would be still bearish on this time frame. So daily is also bearish for me, and we are under 50% support line. So we can expect it to go to at least main this is a resistance line, this is support line, main support line. So we can expect it to go back down. So one day is bearish for me. We must go above the 50% level, and then I would be bullish again. So let's move to lower time frame, 4 hours. You can clearly see here that we made a half move down, a little bit more because of this wick, and 1, 2, 3 micro levels up, and we just couldn't reach this 50% level, and it's more clear here that we are moving downwards. So this level proved a strong resistance, and this might just be a little retrace up, bounce, and will continue to go down. So the first target is main support level, and the next target is even lower. It's even lower, it's here, it's full move from here. And if we take a look at stick, well, we have a very strong downwards channel. I'm trying to fall out right now. So this is on 4 hour. In 1 hour we will see if we will fall out or will we bounce from this trend line. So for me, 4 hours is also bearish. Nothing much more to say. If this level proves as support, and well, then we can talk and start being bullish. And if this happens, we should draw new targets, and those targets are from here, and we create a half move up. This is a bit too much. Up to here, this is a half move, and a full move up, which is going all the way up to here. So this is again the same target as from previous low. So let's change this to lower time frame again. Now we are on 2-hour time frame, and we have some targets from before. All of them were more or less bearish, so I'll just clean this up a little bit, and let's see what this 2 hours telling us. First, I would switch level, HODL level, to level 3, so we could have better view of the price action. And if you just go from here, we completed a full move, bounced a little bit, and then tried to dive again, but we just couldn't succeed, and we made a local double bottom kinda here, and we went back up, and we couldn't complete a full move. Actually, we completed half move from this level up to this level, and this level proved a strong resistance, and we are heading down from here. Let's see stick. So stick, I can draw this channel, and maybe this channel, so we fall out of this, but actually the closer channel is this one, and we're showing some bullishness, but we must wait because for this candle to close. So actually it's more bearish than bullish, to be frank. So we're going down. We can expect a half move down from here, at least half move down. If it is not completed, then this is just a retrace and the price will shoot up. But I wouldn't be bullish in this scenario until we really get above this main support level at least. So 2 hours is bearish for me as well for now. It's not to open short or something or start making trades, because it's too late. You should make a trade here, but I would wait what will happen next. So let's move even lower time frame, 1 hour. It's the same situation with HODL SR. We're still waiting this move to complete, but we can take a look at HODL stick. We have a downwards channel, so stick is pulling us down, price is going down. So yeah, I'm bearish on this time frame too, and we should wait what will happen with this 50% level, or maybe even main support level here, and only then think bullish. Yes, that was technical analysis with HODL SR and HODL stick. I didn't use any other tools. You can cross-check this with your techniques. I hope that you learned something new, And if you're not playing simple strategy with HODL SR and want probability to be on your side, at least most of the time, you must never assume one direction is the only possible. So you define a target, watch support and resistance levels and targets of half and full moves, and then watch stick for signals and adjust your targets and actions accordingly. So as soon as some level proves as strong support, you can, as we can see here, this micro level proved as support once, and if it proves again, well, we can think about this as a strong support, and we should immediately start thinking about new targets. So the new targets would be half move up and full move up. And if we get above this main resistance, then we can think bullish. Okay, if you're still watching this, I hope this screencast revealed the philosophy behind HODL SR and HODL stick, and that you will be able to squeeze as much as possible from them. In the end, I would like to thank you again for trying my tools and making further development possible. And if you find HODL stick usable, don't forget, you can always buy me a beer. I know you would gladly buy me a beer if we met in person. So my BTC beer jar is on the screen right now, and it can also be found on support website and TradingView. Just drop me a line that you donated, and I will get back to you with a toast and drink a beer with you. So don't forget to give me a feedback, good or bad. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. That's all. Happy trading!